So we are at the booth of SANY. We would like to understand what's your basic background and how you came into solar. So maybe you will explain a little bit about the strategy of SANY here.
Okay. Actually, SANY is a traditional like a construction company. That's one of the biggest construction company in the worldwide. And starting from recent years, we shift our strategy to three goals. First is like localization. Another one is we call the low carbonization. The last one is digitalization. In terms of low carbonizations, we have two goals. One is to electrify our construction equipment. That's one of the aspect. And another aspect, we have full solutions for renewable solutions, including solar panel, wind turbine, hydrogen, even the battery storage. So that's the reason we into this sectors.
I just want to know what is the most top product you are promoting at the show, the really most important product, its specifications, its power, and when it will be available commercially. So these are my questions.
Okay. Yeah, this is our top modular product will be launched very soon. For single panel, the power is 350 watt. The dimension is 120 times 70, right? 110乘多少？210乘以182。Okay. 210 times 180. Yes. We adopt the latest MBB technology on this panel.
And is it available commercially?
Yeah. Not yet. Probably Q3 of this year.
And what is the efficiency?
Okay, the efficiency is over 23%. Yes, the dimension of this panel is 2384 times 1303.
So this is for the utility applications.
Okay, those will be sort of opportunity for large scale solar farms, and they have bring the cost extremely down around that.
Okay, thank you very much.